Guys, welcome to Top Class Auto Body. I'm so excited. Tino Tungwarara is here to get her car. So come with me, let's show her car. Hi Tino.
Hello, hi.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Your car's ready. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do if you don't like it?
Look, man.
Let's go. Let me show you.
Okay.
Can we do like a big review?
Okay. Okay.
So 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Wow. Eee, bro. This is so nice.
This dude is a bombo clad.
The pink is giving me. Yo, this is so nice.
Do you like it?
I love it.
You picked the color. How about the pink?
Well, it's kind of my idea, sort of. Like, yeah. My name is here.
Guys, I don't know exactly. I don't know if people knew, but
it says Tino.
Mukanyatso Tarike is right there.
Wow.
Why did you pick top class? How did you even find out about top class? That's another thing I want to know.
My friends told me like they're the best, so I was like sure, and then I tried it out, and then yeah, and then my dad as well knows them as well, so yeah.
So you decided to bring it here.
Yeah.
Would you like us to like rate the car?
10
out of 10.
10.
What does it? 11. Just an extra
20.
one. Just thank you.
This
very
is so
much.
nice.
Guys, you've heard it for yourself. She said it's a 20. Do you want to say anything to our top class followers? Is there anything you have to say?
Guys, if you have your car right now, come customize the top class because I don't pay it because
I'm gonna say, guys. What are we
so
saying?
Nice.
But yeah, guys, she's really happy with her results and she's very happy with it, as you can see. So yeah, guys, Chimbeto at Icho.
Yeah, you can pay.
Or I'm going to say at the same time to Icho.
3,
1,
2.
Okay. Wait, 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Icho! This is so nice. Wow. I love. Wow. Yeah, it's not giving me now. It's just giving. I love the pink name.
Yeah.
So nice.
Next time, yeah, to Bateta Masite pink.
Next time I see the pink, yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, babes. You're welcome.
This is nice.
Guys, she's happy with her car.
Wow.
Guys, let me tell you something. Let me come. If Tino brought her car to top class, why are you not here?
Guys.
So motokuruisa hii. Tonza Michael Jackson. Kutimuziwe to top class, yakaipa. Tuela say.
Just a black. It was white. Oh, this is nice. Wow.
Was it black before?
I think it was like sort of white. Just there. But I know this was white.
Uru driver moto usingazoti yanga ile color.
Just there.
Oh.
The gangan. All right.